Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Lelit bianca espresso machine. It comes to us with leaking from many spots in here, and there was like leak inside also on the top of the steam boiler. So that was like it needs a tune-up. Also was built a lot of coffee here, so I just clean it up and give it like cleaning cycles, back flush it many times, descale it after I replaced the vacuum release valve, this one that was leaking all the time. Then after that I noticed there's like became crunch after all that cleaning and descaling so I get that piston. Look at that, how I found it shaved. Let me show, it's from this side here, this side shaved here, so I just replaced it, and the gasket on it is like also broken, and I replaced this spring, it's on it. If it's this way, this is how, and if it's here, these both two, so I just replaced it. So, and I give the steam one deep cleaning and the hot water spout. So let's go ahead and test it, make a espresso shot on it, see how it works. Okay, this is perfect shot coming out of this bianca. Look at the crema and 3 layers of coffee. Let's test the steamer. This is perfect, and the hot water. And it's refilling right away. Also, after I get like the water level sensor probe, took it off, clean it and reseal it and put it back. So the machine functioning perfect. Thank you for watching.